Mickey's Thanksgiving. Mickey loved Thanksgiving. He loved sharing it with his friends even more. Mickey couldn't wait for dinner. All day long he worked on the turkey. He stuffed it, he put it in the oven, he even watched it cook. Finally, it was ready. At the table, as he poured lemonade for his friends, he realized something. He had spent so much time making the turkey that he had forgotten the other food. There was nothing else to eat. Mickey didn't know what to do. Dinner was ruined. Then there was a knock at the door. It was Goofy. He had a bowl of stuffing. "I hope you don't mind," Goofy said, "but Thanksgiving just isn't Thanksgiving without my ma's stuffing." Mickey was about to shut the door when Daisy showed up. She was holding a salad. "Fresh from the garden," she said. "Happy Thanksgiving, Mickey." Just then, Donald and Minnie arrived. Donald gave Mickey a bowl of corn. "Grandma Duck always said, 'Never show up empty-handed,'" he said. Minnie had a pumpkin pie. "I love to bake, and what better reason than dinner with friends," she said. Mickey smiled as he looked around at his friends and their delicious Thanksgiving meal. "We have so much to be thankful for," he said. "But today I am most thankful for all of you." The end.